Hello, dear students. Today we are going to start a new chapter, Life Without Limits, from your textbook. This is a very interesting chapter. Here we are going to learn about a lady who is the most inspiring lady of India. So today we are going to read a story about this inspiring lady who has beaten early hurdle in her way to achieve what many of us can only dream of. Life isn't always easy, but that should not stop us from having big dreams and achieving our goals. So today I am going to talk about Deepa Malik. I think you can understand. If you have the book, let's have a look at it. Deepa Malik is an Indian athlete. She started her career in the age of 30. She is the first Indian woman to win a medal in Paralympic Games and own a silver medal at the 2016 Summer Paralympics in Shot Put. She has won so many other medals also, and the most comparing things that she has won all these things in a paralyzed situation. So I am going to start about reading of the book. So just have a look at your book. She is the daughter of an army officer, the wife of an army veteran, and a mother of two. And her list of achievements will astonish you. She is an entrepreneur, a social activist, a restaurateur, a beauty queen. She is an accomplished swimmer also, a rally driver, a biker, an athlete, and an adventurer. She is the Arjuna awardee and an Olympian, and she achieved all this from a wheelchair, that means in a paralyzed situation. Earlier she was diagnosed with a spinal tumor. After operation she got that paralyzed situation. The lower part of her body is totally paralyzed, so she always sit in a wheelchair. You can see the several pictures in your book also. She is getting the prestigious Arjuna Award and other more awards. You can see here our ex-president Dr. Pranab Mukherjee giving the award to Deepa Malik. Deepa Malik was the most inspiring lady, and now I will tell you some more information, means that the awards Deepa Malik has won in her life. Any ordinary person would have been overcome with grief, but Deepa is no ordinary person. After recovering from her surgeries at the age of 36, Deepa Malik went on to pursue her dream to become a biker. She needed to strengthen her arms so that she could control her bike, and so she took up swimming, which is itself became one of her achievements. In 2008, using only the strength of her arms, she swam across the Yamuna River for a stretch of 1 kilometer against the current. And in 2009, her dreams of becoming a biker finally come true when she rode a specially modified bike, and in 2011 she became the first paraplegic woman to drive to Kardunga La Pass, the highest motorable pass in the world. But that was not the end of it. She went on to complete the longest drive in India, 3278 km from Chennai to Delhi in 2013, and even rode on the reality TV show Roadies by personal invitation from Raghu. And her amazing achievements and her determination to follow her dreams against all odds earned her Arjuna Award in 2012, along with several other awards to recognize her remarkable journey as a human being. An average person would have been satisfied with these achievements alone, even with full use of their legs, but not Deepa Malik. She is an extraordinary person who knows that life has no limits. Deepa has used her success and fame to do better for others. She promotes gender equality and speaks out against the discrimination suffered by girls, and enthusiastically promotes the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao Save Daughters Educate Daughters campaign. As a physically disabled woman herself, Deepa helps men and women with disabilities to secure jobs and earn their own livelihoods. Deepa personally assists people with disabilities to take up athletic and adventure sports. Deepa is an inspiration to all of us, young and old alike, Her journey has not been an easy one, and yet she refuses to allow anyone to focus on her disabilities or the hardships that she faces. Despite her paralysis, Deepa decided to pursue a dream that gains very little support from others, but she followed it determinedly. Now, her own story shows us that no matter how difficult our lives may be, if we have enough determination to chase our dreams, then nothing can stop us.